Breaking news! Our very own Perch Perkins has been transformed into a race car by none other than Plankton's latest scheme and invention. This shocking turn of events has left the entire Bikini Bottom community in despair and misery. As you can see, Perch is unable to speak due to his transformation, but he will be joining us live from the studio to give us more details on this bizarre situation. Take it away, Perch.
Oh my goodness. Mr. Fish, this is terrible. I can't believe Plankton would do something like this.
That little Plankton scum, he's gone too Just when I thought things couldn't get any worse around here.
Hey guys, what's going on? Why does Perch keep singing?
Looks like my plan worked perfectly. Now no one will suspect me of trying to steal the formula.
Perkins. We have to find a way to change him back.
Dude, that's messed up.
Oh dear me, what a tragedy for our beloved new censure.
Well. Looks like someone finally got what they deserved.
Health serves him right for always trying to one-up me at everything, Jerry.
What kind of sick joke is this? I demand justice for Perch.
Oh, no, this is terrible. We have to do something to help Perch.
Thank you all for your calls and concerns. It seems like the entire Bikini Bottom community is outraged by Plankton's actions. We will continue to follow this story and bring you updates as they come. Well, that's all the time we have for today, folks. Stay tuned for more news on this shocking turn of events, and remember, don't let Plankton distract you from what really matters with keeping our below Bikini Bottom safe. This is Mr. Fish signing off.